Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. Beautiful car, restored in the early 2000s. Got some nice GT options like the wheels, Trumpet exhaust, steering wheel, bucket seats, console, finished in burgundy. Beautiful color. Nice straight body. This is a 3-owner car. It's not a put-together car. Professionally restored. Beautiful chrome, paint, and stainless. Always garage kept and well cared for. It's a C code 289, power brakes, power steering, power top. And just gorgeous. Looks real nice sitting on the red lines. Very correct under the hood. 289, power brakes, power steering. Original inner fender wells. It's a pretty car. Gorgeous interior. It's like brand new carpet. Wooden GT wheel showing 32,188 miles. Just beautiful everywhere you look. Gorgeous center console. I don't think there's a scratch in it. Super bright sills. We also have the parade boot for it, which is included. Back seat with seat belts. It also has the recruitments for like a child seat or something like that, which is pretty cool. Or you can use these as a harness. Very nice ad. Nothing left to do. Turn the key and enjoy. Well guys, thanks so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.